my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, two more. Wow. Two more African land snail. Wow. Hello everyone, today I catching African land snail nearby my home. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Wow. Four African land snail. Wow, oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god, one more. Wow. One more. Oh my god. One more. Wow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful African land snail. Wow. Oh my god, one more. Wow. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god. One more. One more African land snail. Wow, it's so big. Wow. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, wow. One more. Wow. Wow, one more African land snail. Wow. Oh my god, wow, one more. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, two more. Wow. Two more African land snail. Wow. It's called Parrot. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, wow. Oh my god, it's so big. Wow. It's so big African land snail. Wow. Oh my god, one more. Wow. Wow, one more African land snail. Oh my god. Oh my god, two more. Wow. Wow, oh my god. It's so beautiful African land snail. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, two more. Wow. Two more. Wow, oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, African land snail. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, one more African land snail. Oh my god. Wow, one more. Wow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful African land snail. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. One more. Wow. Oh, African land snail. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, it's so many. Oh my god, one more. Two more. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Bye bye.